Hello, this is Tony with All-Star Case Break, doing the last two vending for Hit Me Now. Good luck. And mix the packs up. It has brought in a lot more business just due to the fact that we can be online. He's still surprised. I bet he wishes he did this when he first found out about it. Okay, so you want me to mix them up? And there you go. That's true. Jacob Nottingham, Rudy Giron, Donnie Sands, and Henry Owens, who has a rookie card. A lot of rookie cards. I think he's still signing to this day. To this time, he's sitting some more signings. Mendez, Santillan, and Cole Stewart. Let's get a Vlad. Jake Flaherty, Ronaldo Lopez, Torres, and David Hess for the Orioles. Tyler O'Neill, Jake Flaherty, Magneuris Sierra, and Sam Travis for the Red Sox. Carlos, you still over on YouTube? Strelly, Soroka, Ramirez, and Jonah Arenado. Blue with a Junior Fernandez on the back. And we have a redemption. Giron, O'Neill, Forrest Wall, and chrome autograph of Santillan. Corey Black, Connor Green, Blake Trahan refractor. It looks that way. It looks that way. Good luck. Last pack, last auto. Ariel Gerardo, Jalen Ortiz, Barreto, and Wei-Chi Young for the D-backs. Base auto. Well, there you go. That finishes up the case. Well, thanks much, and we'll see you guys next time.